Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles, and welcome to another exporting results struggle. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the order of your columns in regression output without having to completely change your code. So for example, in that last video, we made this table 9, where we had price in miles per gallon. We went no controls, controls, no controls, controls. But maybe you or someone on your research team decides, hey, maybe it would also look better if we did all the no control columns together and all the control columns together, or all the columns with controls and all the columns without controls. And you're like, sure, how can you do this without completely changing the code? Well, we are going to make table 10, which is exactly that switch. The point is you could do this super easily without actually reordering the way you run your regressions, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So let's go ahead and get right into it and look at this Stata Code. So here's the Stata Code, and once again, I'm just going to read in this auto data and make sure I clear my S storage so that we don't have any old regressions. Now notice that after this eststo, I've named all of them. So this is price no controls, this is price controls. I can name this whatever I want. I just like to keep it short because I'm going to have to write them out later. But basically, Stata is going to store these regression results and associate it with this name PNC. And that's useful because in my esttab command, I'm going to keep everything the same. Maybe I'll put the numbers back in, so I'll take out this option here. So we'll put the numbers back in, but now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write the names of the storage results in the order I want them to appear. So first I want price no controls, then miles per gallon no controls, price controls, miles per gallon controls. Notice that my mgroups have now changed because now the first group is no controls, the second group is controls. That pattern is still 1, 0, 1, 0. For M titles, now we're going price, then miles per gallon, and then price miles per gallon. And then everything else is exactly what we've seen before. So let's go ahead and run this code completely just through clean run, and then we'll go ahead and click into this text file. And you can see when we click into this text file, we've got no controls and then controls, and all our numbers are going to line up. And what's really nice is we've got those column numbers back in there. So now we can go into Overleaf. And maybe I want to re-upload this, so I'll click into this table, and we're going to upload from my computer, and we're going to choose this ordered column regression that I just ran. We're going to overwrite it, we're going to recompile, and then table 10 is now going to have those column numbers, but everything else is the same. And you can look up and compare that we've got exactly the same numbers in the same places as before. All we've done is just reorder those columns. So again, maybe not as useful if you're only running a couple of regressions, but as you're running more and more regressions, the ability to just change the order sort of quickly can be really helpful and save you a bunch of time instead of just like cutting and pasting code. So if this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.